Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to update your age on Cash App. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once the app launches, you'll land on the homepage. From there, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile section where you'll find various settings and options. Scroll down through the list of options until you see the support section. Tap on it to proceed. Wait for the support page to load fully. Once it's ready, scroll down again and look for the section labelled Something Else. Tap on this option. On the next page, you'll see a list of suggestions to help with common issues. Select Cash App Pay from the list. This will bring up additional options, but you can ignore them and continue scrolling to the Contact Us section. In the Contact Us section, choose the Chat option. This will open a chat interface where you can type a message to the Cash App support team. Compose a concise message explaining your situation and requesting assistance with updating your age. Once you've written your message, send it to the support team and wait for their response. They'll guide you through the next steps, so be patient while they review your request. And that's how you can update your age on Cash App.